graduate, where do we go?
Feeling na ang ano natin, ang pyro musical show natin is Beanie and SB19.
Ha? Ano? Ganito?
Handog! Salamin nga. 1, 2, 3, go!
Sino mo kasi sabi?
Pantropiko! Pantropiko! Sa isla Pantropiko! So right now, nandito kami sa may UST Tiger. Sa Tiger. Isa pa kayo? The interviewees for today. Interviewees ba tawag doon, Maui? Tama ba? Yeah, interviewees na. So, yung na-interview ko today, yun na lang para walang context. So, yung mga na-interview ko today, thank you so much sa mga questions niyo. Nakaka-life-changing. Life-changing! Nakaka-life-changing yung mga sagot nila. Dali, ulitin mo! Hindi ko na video!
Edit naman. Other phone.
Other phone. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay!
May body santan.
Yay! Ang ganda ng main building. Mamimiss ko to. Maui, what is your message?
Kung ma-debar ka, Papa Benny shows you to the next school.
Uy! Wala na department, be. Graduate na tayo. Uy, nakunwood. Nasaan na yung food? Wala ko dito. Throughout the literature course, what literary theory suits your life today?
Sa tingin ko, formalism. Kaya kasi parang, di ba yan yung parang foundation ng literary study, yung form, gano'n. So,
Siguro one literary theory na talagang tumatak sa akin at na-apply ko sa life is yung kay Foucault. He says that knowledge is power. And sa literature, I really saw that through our course, parang may power ka talaga to shift the cultural attitudes at you can make a difference through the knowledge that you bring sa mga meaning. We can bring those meanings and create this cultural shift and attitude towards it to create a better society din. So yun talaga yung belief ko and yun nakakatulong talaga yung course namin in that part.
Sino yung mamimiss mong prof?
Sir Ray, definitely.
Kaya si Sir Rain, sobrang thank you talaga.
Hindi niya, akala ko nga talaga doon, iwan niya na tayo, pero ayun, pinush niya pa rin na tulungan tayo matapos yung thesis natin. So,
He's been there since the beginning, literally for me. Tapos, he was able to send me off sa thesis journey ko, simula pa lang. Tapos now, nandito pa rin siya to help me. Tapos sobrang big help talaga ni Sir Rain.
Sir Rain. Idol ko kayo, sir. Very thankful ako for everything. I feel bad for not taking your aid nung I was struggling back then, but I'm glad na ngayon hindi ako nag-hold back. Mag-graduate na ako and it's all because of you. It's all thanks to you. So yeah.
Sir Rain. Kasi hindi ko na kailangan i-explain, Sir Rain, that's it. Yun na yun. Ayun yung reason kung bakit hindi ako suma.
Ayun siya si Sir Lee.
Sorry, sir.
Naka-understanding talagang prof. If you know what I mean. So super bite niya and willing to make up for our shortcomings para ma-improve talaga natin yung craft natin.
Sino yung hated prof mo sa literature? Joke lang!
Hated? Wala no.
Wala yun sa question.
Meron pala.
Meron ba?
Si
Ay, wala, hindi.
Si Sir Jack, especially doing creative writing.
Sir Jack? Bakit si Sir Jack?
Kasi out of all the profs, kahit never ko siyang naging estudyante doing face-to-face, he somehow still recognizes me outside of class. Tapos, not only that, he also recognizes my skills and talents from the submissions that I gave to him during creative writing.
Siya yung kinausap ko nung naglawa ako. Naintindihan niya. At saka naalala ko nung exam namin, ang dami kong hindi ko lahat napasa yung quiz niya, pero pinasa ko ng finals niya. Pinasa niya parang
I think po si Ma'am G, kasi parang na-introduce niya sa akin yung show na Deep Space Nine, yung Star Trek. So parang nagustuhan ko galing yun. And parang lahat kaming mga magkaklase parang na-inspire sa kanya, magsulat pa, gano'n. Yan.
Miss G. Kasi I never saw myself as a poet, but when I presented to her yung mga poems ko, lagi niya sinasabi sa akin, ina-affirm ako na, Audrey, you are a poet.
Si Sir Allen, alam naman natin pogi siya, tapos sobrang gwapa niya, diba? So, sino hindi makakamiss kay Sir Allen? Pero I think during my last year, this year, he totally helped me then in terms of how to be more professional, I think, in his own way, na parang, naging utusan niya kasi ako, so, mamimiss ko siyang utusan ako. Pero ayun, but I think, dun dahil sa work na binigay niya sa akin, somehow, na-feel ko yung, ano yung life after
Great profs, we always do go on record saying that we have the nicest profs in our department, so I surely will miss most of them. I don't think it bears having to state them one by one because they're all great.
Hey! What's up, you guys? So, nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa UST para sa last event ng Lit Soc. Hi! Say hi, Maui. Tiffany,
Guys, hi.
where are you? Ang init. Nung mga nakaraang araw umulan, parang free trial ata yun. Bumalik ulit tayo sa Pantropico vibes. So, ito yung main building namin. So, papunta na kami sa room. Ano masasabi nyo? Last GA na natin.
Last GA, it feels like a Christmas party. Christmas in June. It's May.
It feels like a beach party. No?
Beach party na
Kaya nga.
hindi pang beach party.
Hindi ba?
I'm Disney bound.
Yeah.
Ito si Mirabel naman. Colombia.
Where's Maui? Moana, where's Maui? Eto si Maui.
Ito yung Wilkins niya. Kaya hindi po sponsor ng Wilkins.
Ready? Wala pa! Diyan ka nagpakamatay.
I-share ko po yung winnings po.
So guys, our final assembly just ended. And ito yung mga list of notes ng mga all of the literature. What do you call that? Literature course. Majors.
Our babies.
Our babies from seniors. We wish them a good health. Lalo na ngayon yung deadline ng thesis proposal ng Trillion. Ano masasabi mo sa final GA natin?
I'm happy to have won at medals.
Ay, si Tiffany! Anong masasabi mo na ikaw nanalo dun sa, trip to Jerusalem?
Yun
Ano
ang
masasabi
masasabi
mo?
ko, mag-gym kayo everyday para mapatak nyo yung upuan.
Yun yung tips daw. Diba? Kitang-kita niya talaga yung paghatak kanina. Grabe. Mamaya, may playback ako. Ana, maghanap ka na ng pogi dyan.
Wala!